Hi, Mike Krekla here with Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions, and I'm going to show you how we service our regenerative dryer desiccant towers. So most of the time the towers are going to be around hand tight or maybe just a little bit tighter to the point where you can simply twist them and remove them from the dryer block. If needed and they are a little bit tighter, you can use a strap wrench to remove them. Simply wrap it around and give yourself a little extra torque and assistance. But essentially what we're doing is we are twisting them away from the threaded tower stud, and as you can see here, it'll detach right from the dryer block. And once you've removed it, you can discard these if you have gotten your replacement towers. It's a molecular sieve desiccant that is pressurized in a bag in these enclosures here. And then what you simply do is you're going to put it back onto the mounting threaded stud here, and there is a gasket in the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to twist the new tower back on, and then there is going to be some resistance when that gasket makes contact. So as you can see, I'm starting to get contact here. And on the Pure 5 dryers, these smaller ones, once you have that resistance, you're going to want to twist it a full twist to get it secured so you can pressurize. So as you can see here, I am twisting, and I'm about 3/4 of the way, a little bit more, about full right there. So then this one would be good to go and ready to be pressurized. If you have a Pure 10, Pure 20, or one of our Ultra Series regenerative dryers where they have the much larger desiccant canisters, once those have the resistance as mentioned with the gasket, you can turn those anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4, and that'll be sufficient to pressurize your system. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or reach out to us at tsunami.us.com.